Meanwhile, at the Kush Exchange headquarters.
Hello, Malcolm here, and I am in charge of the Happy Customer Feedback Department for the Kush Exchange. As you can see, we are really busy imputing all the feedback from our wonderful customers. You can say we're making a list and checking it twice. Get it? Anywho, I wanted to let you know that we appreciate your feedback, so we created a new customer happy survey link for you. Please see the link below. It will only take a moment of your time. Oh, and be sure you are a member so you can save 20% off your entire order forever. You can also follow us on all our socials: Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. The Kush Exchange, family, quality, and culture personified.